1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold this position. Now keep the body weight over, not push back. Body weight over. Okay. Alright guys, Reza here, and I'm going to show you a few advanced plank variations that you can try on your own. It's just to change the leverage, change the points of stability, just to challenge your core a little bit more. Remember, core is about stability. Alright, so if we're talking about ab training, we're talking about movement of the spine, but right now core, we are looking at stability. So your hips should not be moving so much laterally and or rotating. So when you're doing core exercise, it's anti-movement, anti-rotation. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. We're just going to change the leverage of the plank to make it heavier. So you've seen this a few times on the internet probably. They're popping up from here, and from here with the hands they pop out, go back down in here, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, back down. From the, you can go with the hammer fist on the floor, palms down, press up, back down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold this position. Now keep the body weight over, not push back. Body weight over. Okay, back down. Again. 1. Okay, hammer fist. 1, 2, 3. Back down. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's one advanced variation to your plank. The other one that I like to do often would be the tapping plank. So the whole idea of the tapping plank is to have 4 points in line, like you're on top of the tabletop, rectangle tabletop. Take one hand off, tap the floor in front of you, and pull it back to base. Alright. At this point, the hips, we should not be moving the hips so much. So here in 4-point position. Alright, so remember, feet not together, feet apart, in line with the elbow. Shoulders packed. So from here, you're going to go up. Lock the hips, tighten the glutes as best as you can. Bring one hand up, touch the floor in front of you, pull in, touch the floor in front of you, pull in, touch the floor in front of you, pull in, touch the floor in front of you, pull in. If that gets too difficult, just drop the knees, maintain the same 4 points, and go. Now remember, the goal is not to move the hips. Alright, that's one variation of a core exercise. The other one would involve a bit of shoulder rotation on the side plank, which is a common one. So you get off on plank, you get into rotation, and you pull up. So this one, it's not so much of a core exercise, it's more of a shoulder joint stability exercise, which you can count as core if you think about the whole body as a unit. So I'll go through this one. The important thing is the shoulder has to be packed. For this movement, I prefer the feet to be in an inline position instead of stacked. You get a bit more stability at the bottom of the base of the foot. So 1, 2, 3, up. So from here, you want to rotate the body into the shoulder joint. Put your hands under the armpit, pull out, straighten out. Down, turn, pull out, straighten out. Down, turn, pull up, straighten out. Okay? Alright, so the other side from the rear. Alright, here we go. Up on side plank. Alright. Free hand, threads under. Body rotates in. Pull out, straighten up the body vertically. Hands up. Down, pull in, thread through. Pull out. Thread through. And pull out. Okay? Alright. So there you have it. You have a few advanced variations for your core workout. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.